everyone, Chef Anna here. We're back again with another video. Today we're going to be telling you all about our harvest of the month for January, our Texas red cabbage. In your curbside pickup this week, you should have received a container with our house-made Texas Slaw featuring Texas red cabbage, of course. We've got our shredded red cabbage, our shredded carrots, diced fresh apples, and our chopped fresh cilantro. Additionally, you should have received a container of our honey citrus slaw dressing. And all you're going to do, super simple this week, we're just going to take our honey citrus slaw dressing. We're going to drizzle as much as we want on top of our Texas red cabbage slaw mix here. Then I'm going to just pop the lid back on my container. And I'm going to shake. We've got that all shaken up. Our slaw is nice and coated, and you've got your honey citrus, Texas red cabbage, and diced apple slaw. We hope you enjoy this harvest of the month recipe featuring our Texas red cabbage, and we'll see you next time.